This is the first consumer unit in Malaysia. A very interesting material, is very smooth and is kinda nice to touch. Xperia is using pixel binning process, so you will get 12 megapixel for the final image from the main camera. And then there is a micro SD slot that let me transfer raw file easily. Original blended material is a paper material developed by Sony, so safer for environment than virgin plastic. Every smartphone company is going for eco-friendly packaging. Let's take a look inside. This unit is in black and it feels very premium. And here is your minimalist instruction manual. To keep your phone safe, there is a style cover with stand for Xperia 1 Mark V. It provides a better grip for camera usage. I think the phone looks and feels better with the style cover.